Everything breathes. People breathe. Plants breathe. Planets breathe. Our whole universe breathes. It began to breathe nearly 14 billion years ago. Instead of a big bang, it began as the first moment of an ongoing big breath. Like a baby, it was born as simple as possible, but no simpler, to be able to grow and vitally to evolve. From hydrogen to stars and eventually to planets and plants and people. The hydrogen in the water of our bodies and in the waters of our planetary home Gaia is only a few minutes younger than our universe. All else that makes up us and Gaia was created in stars billions of years ago. Our story is the story of our universe. Yet, what really is the reality of our universe? And who really are we? Scientific breakthroughs are discovering that our entire universe exists and evolves as a unified entity, with everything related to everything else. Despite its appearance of solidity, reality is really ephemeral. 99.999999999% no thingness. Its material appearance, seemingly made up of separate objects, isn't its deeper reality. All its energy and matter and space and time are its appearance, not its deeper reality. Instead, they emerge from more fundamental levels of cosmic intelligence and causation. Cosmic intelligence and causation that expresses itself as meaningful information. Meaningful information that informs all we call reality. Meaningful information that's expressed in complementary ways as energy and matter, space and time. And holographically manifested, our universe is literally a cosmic hologram. Its wholeness is expressed in the interdependent complexity of its diverse parts. The alphabet of its informational language is made up of only 2 letters, 1 and 0. Just as in our digitized technologies, they're combined meaningfully to inform all we call reality, from hydrogen to stars to planets and plants and people. Like our digitized technologies, universal digitized information is pixelated. The scale of our universe's pixelation, though, is more than 1 trillion times smaller than our best high-definition technologies. As small as to the size of an atom is to our entire universe. Named after Max Planck, one of the greatest pioneers of quantum theory, from the minute pixelated Planck scale, the appearance of our entire universe emerges. The dynamic informational patterns and processes of its wholeness are being discovered at all scales of existence, from atoms to our entire universe, and through many fields of research, ranging from physics and chemistry to biology and the studies of collective human behaviours. Instead of a great thing, our universe is a great informational thought in the infinite and eternal mind of the cosmos. We don't have mind and consciousness. We and the whole world are mind and consciousness. Beginning 13.8 billion years ago, not in the implied chaos of a Big Bang, but as the first moment of a wonderfully fine-tuned, beautifully ordered and ongoing big breath, our unified, conscious, and essentially living universe exists to evolve. A space expands from its minuscule birth, and time flows from past to present to future. Its profound evolutionary impulse from simplicity to complexity and ever greater levels of diversity and self-awareness is not random, but informationally and purposefully guided. We inform and are informed by our entire universe. We are its microcosmic co-creators. We are family members of its vast communities of life. This is who we really are. Our planetary home Gaia has evolved for 4.5 billion years. Over all this time, collaborative and co-evolutionary partnerships have continued to evolve on a planetary scale. Scientific breakthroughs are revealing we are self-aware beings belonging to an evolutionary and conscious universe and an evolutionary and conscious planetary home. The new science of this emerging whole world view is a science of love, of interconnectedness, of interdependence, and of interbeing. Yet, we've forgotten that we're inseparable from each other, Gaia, and our whole universe. As a result, we've come to a tipping point as a species and as a planet. To survive and thrive, we can't go on behaving as we have been. This is our moment of choice. We need to wake up and remember that we're inseparable and realize that now our own conscious evolution is a vital part of Gaia's own evolutionary progress and purpose. The new science of love is showing that we are multidimensional beings with natural, supernormal superpowers of intuition and much more. This is who we can remember we really are. This is who we can evolve to become.